ducks for video quality.
I know, they're like my favorite characters for you.
Okay. My supervillain is called the Hippie Wonder Peace Preserver. I'm going to read this like I'm the guy, okay? Hello. My name is the Hippie Wonder Peace Preserver, who is also known as Charlie Martin. I currently reside in San Francisco, and I am a florist/bike owner who preserves peace through ways of music and tools of gadgetry, and myself to best save the planet from the horrid evil criminals that lurk around hurting others and beating the law and system. Other ways, they hurt the environment by littering, loitering, and polluting the air in unnecessary means. These people are my enemies, who are all against me and know exactly who I am. My powers include my peace signs on my wrist, which act as a defense force against my enemies who try to hurt me. And my stomach peace sign is flashed when the foe is down on the ground. It is the finishing move. One look at this and they will be recognizing peace through the mind, body, and soul, and will be cured of all evils and non-conserving demons in them. If a large group of people attempt to attack me, I spawn my saxophone and play a happy, bouncy love theme that rattles their eardrums, which makes them dance around in song and dance for 2 minutes, and then they fall into a deep sleep, from which they wake up feeling new and peacefully content. Since I'm a genetically enhanced human from the gifted mother Journey hippie, I cannot do everything simply because I am only human. My enemies are sorted out according to how destructive they are, and are found on my 1969 Type 2 Volkswagen bus, or formerly known as a hippie van. This love vehicle has high-tech radar equipment that seeks out enemies far and near and those who fear and need to get their mind in gear. Like every superhero, I do have a weakness. If anybody hurts my hippie van, which I am spiritually attached and connected to the great mother hippie Journey hippie, I get violent compulsions and shout in violent madness, which creates a perfect target for the evil people to strike at me. A lot of people today say that music is the way of life. People use music to soothe the mind and put them in a different place and escape the violent world in which we inhabit. Listening to music can only help a person if you think about it. So when I play the saxophone for them, it puts them in a different place of content and satisfaction. Every criminal has a mind-breaking point, which I successfully break through with one of my kind of powers and saxophone skills. The world and its wife needs me because I spread peace through love, music, and soul, like no one else can, as fast and as efficiently creative as humanly possible. With such ease and stealth, I might add. I am purely invisible to society, for I only search and wander at the hours of 8:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. Pacific time. As society crumbles, somebody has to do something to get it back on its original foundation where it all started. This is where I come in, the one and only Hippie Wonder Peace Preserver. Alright. Now,
I know, but...
these are my defense mechanisms. Anybody attempts to strike me, I block them with my defense mechanism. I do whatever I can to get them on the ground after that. After that, I flash my hippie sign and my peace sign, and they burst into love letters and float off into the sky. Alright, now, I wrote this song, half wrote it actually, and when a group of people are attacking me, I can't spawn a saxophone, but, I play this song, which trances them in musical dance and enjoyment. Let me just play a couple of tuning notes.
was so awesome, Alex.
That was harder than I thought. Whoa.
That was crazy. You really wrote that song?
Or AJ, if I remember.
Stop.
Bow, wait a minute. He's hardcore.
You wish that. I'm last time I like new things.
And that's how the hippie rolls.
That is awesome, Hippie Man. What's your name again?
The Hippie Wonder Peach Preserver.
The Hippie Wonder Peace Preserver.
So I'm pretty much part of like the Wondrous Tribe. Yeah, dude.
Like, like, I don't know, like, if like Frank was just like walking down the street, that's the music that would be playing. If that was totally Frank.